This is the 5th year of the second generation Envision, and it's receiving some minor updates. Now, this follows a complete overhaul for the 2021 model, and the 2024 Envision just got a mid-cycle refresh. Hi, welcome back to NamCar channel. Today we're checking out the upcoming 2025 Buick Envision. Stay tuned. So, what can we expect from the 2025 Envision? Well, Buick is known for luxury and elegance, and that definitely translates to the Envision. Expect high-quality materials and a design that makes it stand out in the crowd. The current Envision has a sharp exterior with those cool daytime running lights and a bold front fascia. We don't expect any major changes here for 2025. The interior is another Buick strong point, spacious, comfortable, and designed for everyone's enjoyment. While the interior design might stay the same, Buick promises to take the comfort and luxury experience to a whole new level for 2025. That tiered dashboard and the dual screens integrated into one piece of glass are pretty slick. Higher trims should still offer those two-tone interiors and premium touches. Tech features are a big deal these days, and while the full list isn't confirmed yet, we expect the 2025 Envision to carry over the goodies from the 2024 model. That means a big 30-inch screen, Google built-in, wireless charging, and all the smartphone connectivity you need. Under the hood, the 2025 Envision likely sticks with the proven turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, offering up to 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. A 9-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive are standard, with all-wheel drive available for those who need it. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but the current Envision starts around $37,295 and goes up to $48,395. We expect the 2025 model to stay in that ballpark. As for the release date, since the 2024 model just arrived this spring, we're looking at a spring 2025 launch for the 2025 Buick Envision. We should learn more details in the next year, so stay tuned. So, is the 2025 Buick Envision the right luxury SUV for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content here at NamCar channel. Thanks for watching.